I'm Rahul Deshpande, Senior Group Director, Informa Markets in India. Welcome to the 10th anniversary edition of PharmaLytica. This year we complete a decade of PharmaLytica in its existence. As you all know, PharmaLytica comes back to Hyderabad, and this year we are having more than 200 exhibitors, more than 1,000 brands, and we are expecting more than 8,000 visitors to visit this show across the 3 days. We have got a mixture of both pharma technology, pharma analytical lab, and HVAC companies exhibiting here. And we have got some really top brands from the industry. We have got a mix of the entire Hyderabad pharma industry walking through the doors yesterday. We had the privilege of having Sri Udaya Bhaskar, Director General of PharmExcel, Sri Raja Bhanu, Mr. AVPS Chakravarti, who is also President of FOP in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, coming here for the inauguration. We had the senior management teams from Hetero, Dr. Reddy's, Aurobindo, from MSN, coming and visiting and appreciating the efforts taken by PharmaLytica as a platform for the growth of the pharma industry. It's a 3 days exhibition. It starts from the 30th May to the 1st June here in High Tech City, Hyderabad. Thank you.